It's 2 a.m. You're scrolling. Same 15 accounts keep showing up, same jokes, same phrasing, same faces, slightly different. None of them ever log off. What if they're not people at all? There's a theory for this. Dead internet theory. The claim is simple, and it's insane. Sometime around 2016, the human internet died. Organic conversation. Real strangers arguing about nothing. Gone. Replaced, quietly, by bots and algorithms, talking to each other just to keep you scrolling. Most people laugh at that. Then they see the numbers, and they stop laughing. Here's the strange part. This theory didn't come from a scientist or a tech company. It came from one anonymous post on a dying forum in 2021. No name, no credentials, just a wall of text claiming the internet you're using right now is mostly fake. That post should have vanished in a day. Instead, it spread. Reddit, Twitter, think pieces in major outlets, which raises an uncomfortable question. If the internet is mostly bots, how did one human post survive long enough for anyone to notice? We'll come back to that. The answer is worse than you think. First, the evidence people actually point to. Start with traffic. Multiple independent studies have found the same thing. Automated traffic makes up somewhere close to half of all internet activity. Not a lot, half. Some of it's obvious, spam, scrapers, scam bots. But some of it isn't obvious at all. It's built to look exactly like you. Same scroll speed, same click patterns, same time of day activity. Built by companies whose business model depends on you never noticing. That's the unsettling part. Not that bots exist, that some are built to be undetectable on purpose. Think about the last viral post you saw. 50,000 likes, 2,000 comments. Comments that all say almost the same thing. Slightly different words, same rhythm, almost like they came from a template. Because sometimes they did. Engagement farms exist, real companies, real invoices. Their job is manufacturing the feeling of a real crowd. A crowd that agrees with you. A crowd that never gets tired. A crowd that was never actually there. So next time something feels like everyone's talking about this, ask who everyone actually is. In 2018, YouTube deleted millions of subscribers from major channels overnight. Not a bug, a cleanup. Some channels lost over half their subscriber count in a single day. Numbers people had built careers believing were real. Twitter's done it. Instagram's done it. Facebook's done it. Every platform, at some point, has quietly admitted a huge portion of what looked like people wasn't. And they only ever tell you after they've cleaned it up, which means right now, today, there's another number just as large. Nobody's announced it yet. So, that anonymous 2021 post, the one that shouldn't have survived. Researchers tracing its spread found something strange. It wasn't just shared by humans reacting to it. It was picked up almost immediately by automated accounts, the exact kind of bot networks the post warned about, amplifying a theory that said they were taking over. Maybe that's random. Engagement bait travels fast regardless of topic. Or maybe the systems that spread content don't care what it says. They just care that it spreads. A theory about fake engagement went viral, using fake engagement. Sit with that. Now, the responsible part. Not everything in this theory is true. The internet didn't die on a specific date. There was no secret switch flipped in 2016. Most researchers agree humans still make most original content. The theory in its purest form is exaggerated. But strip away the conspiracy language, and what's left still unsettles. Bots really do make up a massive share of traffic. Engagement really is manufactured at scale. The theory isn't literally true. It's early. Because since that 2021 post, AI text generation went from novelty to flood. Entire websites now run almost entirely on AI-written articles. AI accounts post, comment, and argue with each other, sometimes with no human ever reading the exchange. Some studies now estimate a meaningful share of new web content is AI-generated, not human. Not 50 years from now, right now. The theory that sounded insane in 2021 is quietly becoming true in 2026. Not because of a conspiracy, because of incentives. Bots are cheaper than people. Fake engagement is easier than real conversation. So is the internet dead? No, but it's not fully alive either. It's something in between, a place where you can't assume the account replying to you has a face, or a pulse, the comment that agreed with you this morning, the account that liked your post at 3 a.m. You don't actually know, neither do the platforms, most of the time. The scary part was never that bots exist. It's that we built a system where we can no longer tell. You might be the only human in the room,